Right, Aziz Khan. So, in the last video, we learned about the local study. Now we should see that how an area study is done. As I told you that for an area study, we need more than one base station. So let's convert these remaining site also as a base station. I will make all of these as base station. Let me select these two and make them a base station. Okay, so now if you see, we have converted all these four in base stations, and we can do local studies for all of these, but as we see that we did the local study of this one site, so doing it for all of these is should be the same. And generally, if we have more than one site, then so basically, if we have more than one base station, then it is better to do an area study than doing the local studies, because in area study we get an added advantage that we can see that what signals are present in the whole area. So let me take you to the area study. So we'll go to studies, and now we will check this area study. So I will be creating an area study now. So if you see, for making an area study, I need to define an study area as well. This is good in places where you have different sets of sites. For example, you are working on a project where some sites are in one area, two or three sites, then two or three sites are in a different area. So you can make different area studies for each of the area. So assuming we have this one area, I will just select this area. For example, the area of my concern is from here to here. I want to know that how much is the coverage in this area. So if you see, this has selected this area and selected all the base stations within this area. Apart from this, it works almost in the same way. Like for example, we need the SRTM display criteria is a similar thing. Propagation parameters is also, I will not go in the detail right now. So I will generate the area study now. So it is trying to generate profiles, and it is processing those profiles because I have chosen quite large area, so it's taking some time. Okay, so it's doing it for all of the sites which are under this coverage, and let us give it some time so that it can finish its tasks. So let me stop this for a while, and then I will start when this study should finish. Okay, so we can see that the area study is now completed. So I will press OK. Now you see it has created a beautiful map. Let me go in a bit of zoom so we can see it more clearly. So the area study, now it has created the whole area study. I mean, it has used all of the data to create a very beautiful map of the area that we have asked it to create. We have a legend from where we can see that, like, this red is -50, this is -110, yellow is almost -70 something. So now we can see the study feature. There's a very good feature as well. If I will go to show detail, now if you see, we have all these four sites, because we have four sites here. And whenever I will put my mouse anywhere, it will tell me that on this place how much signal from each site it should be receiving. So we can see that maybe we have put the sites very much near to each other, and like for example, if we see this point, so it is getting almost very powerful signal from all of these sites. So we can see on the planning phase that we have put the site very much near to each other, and we can put the sites basically a bit further as well, or we can remove some of the sides. Like for example, if we just put these two sides and remove these two sides, we may have almost the same characteristic. I'm not sure, I will not do it as well, because this is just a training video. We are just trying to learn that how the coverage maps are done and what is the basic usage of it. So as you remember, as we have seen in the local study as well, so I can here also, because this is area study, so I can make it also a bit low. So now we can see that the map which is behind it, and then we can make our own decision that okay, this is good or bad, or what we should do. We can remove two sides and we can do it again. But I hope that this should be a very good learning point for you. You should have learned that what is an area study and how does it work. So I hope you will like this video. So let's meet in my next video about the next topic. Okay, goodbye.